Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. We've heard that Amazon has free shipping options to the Philippines, and of course, we have to try it. And coupling it with our birthday gift to self, we have our box here. And let's see what it is. There's another box in the box. So let's open that inner box. And we are, of course, we got our birthday gift, which is the brick of X-Men X of Swords. Good format, good condition. Can't wait to open it, so let's go. Okay, so we have here a brick of HeroClix X-Men X of Swords, 10 of Swords, which is our birthday gift to self. And we see our favorite character here, Wolverine. On the side, we see the Danger Room construct, the Horsemen, and then we have the Sword Bearers and the Sword team on the right side, and at the back we have the white sword, so a lot of swords. And on top we have the Annihilation and a legacy card. Okay, so we've already opened 3 bricks of this one, so this will be our 4th brick to open, making it 2 case opening for X of Swords. So it also means that I have quite a bit of figures from the X of Swords set. Okay, so I hope we don't get a lot of duplicates. And just to note, there seems to be scratches on this particular booster. I don't know why. It's the first time I'm seeing such booster. This might have been, I don't know, eaten or whatnot. I hope everything is good in the inside. So here we have our legacy card. If you are not familiar with legacy cards, it will allow you to play old figures in modern. Okay, let's see what we have. So we have the legacy card of Bling Forge. Okay, I think I already have this, but I'm not so sure. If not, then I can always, if I already have it, then I can always have it for trade. Most of this will be for trade, the duplicates, and of course for reselling. Okay, let's open our brick. Oops. Okay, the baby is crying, so I'm gonna resume some other time. Bye for now. Okay, so we're back and we're opening again this brick of X-Men X of Swords. We're gonna do it one hand because we're carrying the baby on another one. Okay, on our other hand, the plastic seems to be a bit thin. I don't know if that's a sign that this particular brick might be repacked. Okay, I hope not, but let's see. Let's see. Okay, the first one, we're gonna go through this quickly because again, we've seen all the figures. We just want to hopefully get a chase that we don't have, perhaps Apocalypse or Annihilation. Okay, and of course super rares that we don't also have. We hope to get X23 and Hope Summers wouldn't hurt. Okay, let's see. This is brick number 1. Oops, be careful, baby. Okay, let's open it. Opening brick number 1, booster number 1. And we hope to get some more tarot cards that we don't have. Oh, another first tarot card. This is War as our rare. And the tarot card is the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, I think we don't have that yet, so that's a good start. Let's take a look at the second booster. Okay, let's just destroy the booster. The second booster is the super rare Whiskids. We already have him, so that's a bit of a bummer, possibly for trade. And then we have booster number 3. Okay, baby, wish daddy good luck. Good luck, daddy. Ay. Okay, booster number 3 is all about. Let's see, baby. Okay, booster number 3 is. We have the rare Magneto and the tarot card of High Priestess. That's a good tarot card. We can always trade that. The booster number 4. Let's take a look. Booster number 4 is super rare Hope Summers. Wow. Okay. One of our wish lists got granted. Okay. Let's take a look at the other boosters. Let's reserve the middle boosters for last, because that is hopefully the chase. Okay. Let's see who we have here. This is booster number 5. We already have 2 super rares, so we're expecting one more, a prime or a chase, or better yet, a prime and a chase. Let's see, booster number 5 is. Sorry, it's taking some time for each booster because only one hand. We have the rare. Oh, the chase. We have a chase. Our chase is the White Sword. We already have the White Sword, but he is definitely good for trade. And we have the tarot card Wheel of Fortune. We already have this. And we have the rare Kitty Pryde. Okay, we're happy. We got a chase, because there's no guaranteed chase in a break, so that's always a good thing. Okay, this is break booster number 6. Baby, let's just finish this unboxing and then we will play with the colors and read some books. Okay, booster number 6 is the rare Apocalypse Danger Room. Okay, no tarot cards. Break number 7. Let's open this one. Booster number 7. Let's open it. Booster number 7 is. We have. Oh, we have a super rare, our third one. We don't have it. We don't have yet Bay of the Blood Moon, so we're happy to get her. Okay, and we have a tarot card, the Queen of Wands. Oh, this one is also good. The one that allows you to re-roll, increase rolls by 1. Okay, I think Larry got a very similar break, so if I'm not wrong, we should be getting a prime here. This is booster number 8. Booster number 8. Let's open it. Booster number 8. Baby. Okay. Booster number 8 is the rare Cora of the Burning Heart. No tarot cards. Okay. Last 2 boosters. Okay, baby, last 2 boosters. Let's hope for a prime. This is booster number 9. And we have here the rare Darwin. No tarot cards. Okay. And the last booster for our birthday unboxing is a tarot card. And we have, let's see. Baby, this is the last one, baby. No. This is the last one. It seems to be a bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is always a good thing. And it is what is it? Iska rare with a sword. And no tarot cards. Okay. Mercy is the sword. So that's it. That is our unboxing video. Thank you very much, everyone. Sorry I had to do it very quickly with the baby, but comments on the video, please. Like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and enjoy.